Wednesday, Loendi Live. So here I am. As you can see from my title today, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners. This is what I'm doing in my program, and this is where I'm making my money. So are you interested to tap into the billion-dollar affiliate marketing industry? Well, this is going to grow more and more every year. So if you're interested, schedule a call, let's talk, and I can see if you're a good fit for my program. But let's talk about affiliate marketing. Everybody say it's easy. I can tell you it's not easy. You just get a merchandise where the products are, because you don't need to worry about your own products. You don't need to worry about the store. And then what do? Put the link out to all your Facebook groups, to all the places that you have on the platforms, and then people will buy. I can tell you, these 3 steps isn't so easy, and this is not how it works. What is affiliate marketing? If I can talk from my experience, if I really want to help somebody, if I really want to solve a problem, I have to talk to a friend and ask, what is their problem? And if I can suggest using this product or buying this type of shoes or going to that shop. Why? Because I know the product. I've been using the product and it solved my problem. So if you talk to friends or people who will buy from you, your clients, you have to make sure that you know the product that you're selling. You can't sell, as we usually say, don't sell ice in the winter. Nobody will buy from you. You have to sell what your clients want, not what you think they want, what they want. So the first thing with affiliate marketing is, especially for beginners, it sounds easy when people say, just take the link and put it there and sell your product. I've been in this for 5 years now. I can tell you my first 2 years was really up and down, and I didn't know what I was doing. But at last, I got a mentor. I know what is the pitfalls for beginners. And that's why I put my program out there to help you. Because you don't want to start planning and trying to sell things that never sells. So let's say, first, we will decide which platform you will use. You can't use all the platforms. Social media has too much around us. You have to decide to use one platform where you feel comfortable with, and this is the platform that you will market your product. You will also think about the niche. In which niche are you going to have your product? Is it weight loss? Is it health? Is it wealth? Is it partnerships? Is it children, kids programs? Anything that you feel passionate about, that you know enough to help your client. And there's a lot. You can even go into the pet niche where you have dogs or cats, and then you can niche down to a specific type of cat or a specific dog or a type of dog that people would love, and they would love to hear from you. So this is how we niche down to who are our clients we're serving. So after we decided that, we have to join. Say we decide we're going into the pet niche. Now we join the merchandise that sells pet food, pet equipment, pet games, whatever they have. And then you must make sure you understand what people would love to have. And then you choose that product. Buy it, look at it, make sure you understand what it's made of, how it works, what is the problem it will solve, and then you put out your product for the clients that you know would like this product for their pets. And that is how you attract your clients once you decided on the product that you want to sell. You have to write a bit about the product, the content, what it's all about, because now you have to promote the product. It could be Facebook, it could be YouTube, it could be Pinterest, Instagram. It all depends where you feel comfortable. You will set out your content and people will see. And there you will add the link, or you can send them to a website. If you have a website all about pets, you can send them to your website. You'll find the link to go to the product where they will buy the product. So now, as you can see, I'm driving traffic from their home through my website to the product. And once they click on the product and they like what they see, because already you talk to them about the product, what is the best options, what is the product doing, and why is it good to buy this for their pet. So they already warmed up and they just have to see the product for themselves and read maybe a little bit more, or just check out what's the price and if they really will have the product for their pet. And that's how you get them to buy the product. After they bought the product, they clicked on the link, they bought the product. What happens? The merchandise will pay you. Whoever is the person on the other side whose product you're selling, they will see you were sending this client to them. That's why we get a specific link from the products, that as we send our clients through this link, they know who to pay the commission to. Now, as affiliate marketers, you can have 2% commission, 3% commission, 40% commission. There's even products that gives you 75 to 90% commission. And what I usually tell my clients, don't go for the high commission, don't just see the money. Our reason for helping people is solving problems. So if you can solve a problem by selling a specific product to a specific client, that is when you can feel comfortable and when you will receive your commission and you know you did the right thing. If you just go out for the money, don't feel anything for your client, it's not going to work for you. So as beginners, if you need training, if you need help setting up your business, schedule a call with me. I'll put the link below. Schedule a call and we can talk, and I can see if you're a good fit for my program. I can help you to set up your affiliate marketing program from zero to a business that you can follow and can bring you an income in 90 days or less. It all depends about your work ethics. And this is my story for Wednesday, Loendi Live tonight. See you next Wednesday.